Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add your logo into your Stripe account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add your logo into your Stripe account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is important, especially if your customer is about to check out. If you put your branding logo there, it's less likely they're going to be confused. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add your logo into your Stripe account, the easiest way to get to that section is in the search bar here. Go ahead and just type in branding. Once you do that, look for this line, settings, business. Okay, once you do that, you want to look here for the logo. If you already have some sort of generic logo there, you can go ahead and just click on the X. After you click on the X, click on this plus icon and choose your logo from your desktop. All right, quick second later, it's going to refresh and you'll see your logo right here. Also a rendition of what it's going to look like on the Stripe invoice. You're not quite done until you scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you get to the bottom here, you want to click on Save Change It. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add or change your logo in your Stripe account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.